Hi, it's Richard Greaves, Remax Alpine Realty, and this is my monthly market update for the Canmore Real Estate market. If you're new here, we've got some great tools just below for buyers and sellers. They'll take you to my website where you can find out more information about how to buy or sell in Canmore. But this is the monthly market update for March 2024, as well as the first quarter. We're already done the first quarter of 2024, if you can believe that. Man, time's flying. And today's April 9th. It's a beautiful spring day in the Rockies. We've got some cold wind, some snow, some rain, and some sunshine. It's a perfect day for a market update. So let's talk about March 2024 first, and then we'll get into the first quarter of the stats. March 2024 was a busy month for us here. Weather was all over the place, but we still had lots of buyers coming out to look at property in Canmore. We ended with 44 sales. That's 30% more sales than March of 2023, when we saw 31 sales. Average price point was also up compared to March of 2023. This year, our average price point was $1.121 million. Up 17% from the $930,000 that we saw last year. Average square foot price overall was $743 per square foot. And properties were staying on the market for about 65 days, which was a bit longer than March 2023. March 2023 was about 44 days. So properties staying on the market a little bit longer, but still a very good sales month in total. Let's take a look at how those sales broke down for the full month of March. We had 10 single-family home sales at an average price point of $1.852 million, or $837 per square foot. High square footage price this month for single-family homes. They were on the market for about 73 days in total. Half duplexes, we had 3 sales. Average price point was $1.533 million, $645 per square foot, and properties sat for about 59 days on market on average. Townhomes, we had 11 sales. $975,000 is an average sale price for a townhome this month, or $663 per square foot. They were selling fairly quickly at 51 days. Apartments, we had 11 apartments. On average, they were selling for about $749,000, or $661 per square foot, and they were taking about 90 days to sell in the month of March. We had 1 land sale this month at $1.5 million for that piece of land. Hotel condos, we had 6 sales. They averaged $659,000 for the month of March, or $727 per square foot. And they were sitting again for about 49 days on market, so a little bit longer for the hotel condos this month. And then tourist homes, we had 2 properties sell. Average price was $890,000, or $998 per square foot. So real high price point again per square foot for tourist homes. And they were selling in about 17 days. So those tourist homes still a very popular product for buyers that are looking in Canmore. So how did the first quarter shape up for 2024? Well, we had 128 sales in total at an average price point of $1,033,000, or $737 per square foot, and properties were selling on average in about 62 days. So how does that compare to 2023? Well, we had 101 sales in 2023, so sales were up, sales volume was up 21% this year over last year for the first quarter. Price point was up 7%, so last year was $963,000, and as I say, the average price point this first quarter was $1,033,000. And properties were sitting on the market in 2023 for about 56 days. This year it's 62 days, so probably selling a little bit slower, but very comparable to where we were in 2023. How did those sales break down in total for the first quarter of 2024? Well, we had 24 single-family homes sell. Average price point for a single-family home in the first quarter was $1.559 million, or $771 per square foot. And they were staying on the market for about 72 days. Half duplexes, we had 9 sales in the first quarter. $1.45 million was the average sale price for those, or $639 per square foot, and they were sitting for about 63 days on market. Townhomes, we had 35 townhomes, busy townhome selling season for the first quarter this year. As I say, 35 homes. $1,030,000 was the average price point for a townhome, and they were $649 per square foot, and sitting on the market for about 60 days. Apartments, we had 31 apartment sales. $728,000 was the average price point for an apartment in Canmore for the first quarter. $679 per square foot, and 76 days on the market. Land, we had 2 land sales. The average price point was $1.4 million for a piece of land in Canmore over the first quarter. Hotel condos, we had 19 sales in the first quarter. and the average price point was at $735,000, and the average square foot price was $882 for hotel condos. And they were sitting for about 47 days on market. And then tourist homes, we had 7 sales, $826,000 was the average price point, or $845 per square foot, and they were selling fairly quickly at 23 days on the market. As we're moving into April, it's April 9th today, we have had 10 confirmed sales for April already and another 13 conditional units. So April's shaping up to be another busy month. Inventory is still super low. We've only got 68 active residential listings on the market right now, and an additional 22 hotel condos for those short-term rental properties. So just under 100 listings in total on the market, but only 68 active residential units. Of those, only 20 single-family homes. The single-family home prices right now in Canmore are starting at $1.298 million for a single-family home. Will be interesting to see how much more inventory we get on the market in April. Typically, we start to see now, as the weather warms up, more inventory hitting the market for a little more choice for buyers. The other thing that we're noticing is that interest rates really haven't had an impact on us in Canmore still as we move through the first quarter of 2024. Buyers still seem to be picking up properties, multiple offers are still happening, and people are paying over list price. So check out my April monthly market update at the end of this month just to see how April wrapped up, and we will talk to you soon.